Today, we're diving into Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI. With all the buzz around AI tools, it's crucial to understand what sets them apart and whether they're worth your time. Let's find out if Anthropic lives up to the hype. Anthropic positions itself as a leader in AI safety and alignment, which is quite a bold claim in today's landscape. Claude AI, their flagship product, is designed to assist users in generating text and answering questions in a conversational manner. The user interface is clean and straightforward, making it accessible for both tech-savvy users and those new to AI tools. One thing that stands out immediately is their focus on ethical AI. They emphasize safety and alignment in their models, which is refreshing in a market often criticized for lack of transparency. However, while their mission sounds impressive, I find myself wondering about the practical implications. How well does Claude handle complex queries compared to other AI tools? And is the focus on safety hindering its performance in any way? Overall, while the concept is compelling, there are still some unanswered questions about its capabilities and how it stacks up against competitors. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Anthropic's commitment to AI safety is a major plus, especially for users concerned about ethical implications. The interface is user-friendly, which makes it easy to dive right in. However, there are some frustrations too. For one, the performance on more complex tasks can feel underwhelming when compared to other established players in the market. Another concern is the limited information available about the underlying technology. Transparency is a bit lacking, which might make cautious users hesitate before fully committing. Pricing isn't clearly outlined either, leaving potential users in the dark about what they might be getting into. For those looking for cutting-edge capabilities, they may want to explore alternatives before settling on Claude. In conclusion, Anthropic offers a unique approach with Claude AI, especially for users prioritizing safety and ethical considerations. However, if you're searching for a more robust AI tool with proven performance, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's worth a try, but keep your expectations in check.